This is number 1 on the Unit 4 review. They want you to graph each function and tell if it's linear or not. So in these problems, what we do is we take the different x values that are listed in the table, and we plug them in for x so we can find y. Anytime I give you parentheses like this, I want you to use them. So do parentheses, -2 divided by 2 plus 3. You can do this in your head or using your calculator. -2 divided by 2 is -1, and -1 plus 3 is 2. So the first ordered pair would be at -2, comma 2. So that means you go left 2 and up 2 and put your first dot. For the second point, we're going to plug in 0 for x, 0 divided by 2, and then plus 3. That would be 0 plus 3, which is 3. So the second point is 0, comma 3. So to plot that point, you go 0 left or right and up 3 and put your dot. The next point, we're going to put in 2, parentheses. 2 divided by 2, that's 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So the next point would be 2, comma 4. So you go right 2, up 4, put your dot. And then finally, the last point, you do parentheses 4 divided by 2 plus 3. You should get 5 for that one. So you should get 4, comma 5. So that last point would be right 4, up 5, put a dot. The question is, do these points fall in a linear fashion, in a straight line? And the answer is yes. This is linear. You should do number 2, very similar, and make sure, again, you use parentheses. So you're going to do negative parentheses, then -2 minus 3. It's important you use those parentheses to make sure you get the correct points. And now